Hello everybody. Today I will show you how to fix iPhone screen is dim even when brightness is a maximum problem. So the very first fix is go to settings on your iPhone, tap on accessibility, tap on display and text size. From here, reduce white fine. Turn off reduce white point. Just turn it off. If it is turned on, turn it off. Now what you have to do, turn off auto brightness. If this is also enabled, turn it off also. The sixth option, zoom. Go back to accessibility again, tap on zoom, scroll down and select zoom filter from here and ensure zoom filter is set to none. If it is set to anything like low light anything, make sure it is selected as none. Now the second thing which you can do is reset all settings to fix the problem. So for this, go to settings again, tap on general, tap on transfer or reset, tap on reset all settings, enter your passcode, enter screen time passcode and tap on reset all settings, and this will fix your problem. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in next tutorial.